Basic but capable is how I describe the 2012 Nissan Xterra Pro 4X I've had this week. It's a bit of a throwback to SUVs of the past. Now, since it came out in the year 2000, the Xterra really hasn't changed very much. So I'm going to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. The good is the value. At just under $32,000 on the window sticker, the Xterra comes in well below the Jeep Wrangler, and with its four-wheel drive capability, that's a really good price, especially since my test vehicle is well equipped. Now, the bad is overall, the Xterra is not technologically advanced in the least, other than it's got a good four-wheel drive system, but it lacks a lot of the creature comforts we've come to expect in our SUVs these days. Now, the ugly part is the exterior. Although some people like the look of the Xterra, the roof rack that has become its trademark is a real turnoff for me, especially since I don't have any plans of going to Jurassic Park anytime soon. Now, under the hood, we've got a 4-liter V6 putting out 261 horses, and honestly, it feels like it's got more than that. The fuel economy is just subpar with this 5-speed transmission. I'm getting 15 in the city and 20 out on the highway. But if you're serious about your off-roading, the Xterra is an excellent choice. But as a daily driver in a metropolitan area, it just doesn't do it for me. I'm Jerry the Car Pro. Have a great week.